Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be doing some chicken wings out on the UDS. I hadn't cooked on the UDS in a while, so I went ahead and pulled that bad boy out, and we're setting it up out on the patio to do some chicken wings. Now, you guys know me. I'm a hardcore Who Dat for lifer, New Orleans Saints fan. My boys didn't make it in the Super Bowl this year. But I'll go ahead and give you Atlanta Falcons fans some props. Good luck in the Super Bowl today. And in honor of your entrance into the Super Bowl, we're going to do some Dirty Bird wings. Now, I scoured the internet and ran across Rachel Ray's magazine website, and she had a recipe for some Dirty Bird rub. Now, I'll put the link for the web page down in the description block along with the recipe for the rub. Now, on the website, they did it for an entire fryer. Well, we're going to do it on some chicken wings. And last night, we took our time. We cleaned our chicken wings, and we removed the tips from our chicken wings. So we got a whole piece of chicken here. We don't just have the flats and the drumettes, okay? So we're going to go ahead and douse these bad boys with a little olive oil. We're going to dust them down. We're going to get the UDS ready, and we're going to see how these come out. So hang around. All right, guys, so that's it for our cook. As you saw, we used the UDS today to cook our Dirty Bird wings. And all we do is with some olive oil on them. And I got to say that these wings came out fantastic. Let me give you a close-up look at these bad boys. And as you can see, it's got a nice mahogany color on them. You can see the rub, the granulation on top of it. You can see where the skin has bubbled up and crisped. So the UDS was running at roughly 275 to 300 degrees. So I had a fantastic fire out there. Actually, the UDS was cooking so good today, I ran upstairs and got some turkey sausage that I had in the fridge just to throw out there. You know how it is for guys who barbecue and smoke, man. When you get a fire that good, you definitely don't want to go to waste. So you try to clean out everything in the fridge. So, well, let's go ahead and have a quick taste test. So, you can smell the smokiness. We use mesquite wood while we smoke these on the UDS. You can smell the pepper in the rub. Oh, these are fantastic. They're nice and juicy on the inside, and the skin is nice and crispy. Okay, you can taste the pepper. It's got a nice little heat in the back. The salt level is perfect. Now, like I said, in the original recipe, they used regular salt. We use kosher salt. So use kosher salt or sea salt in the recipe. I think regular salt is going to be a little bit too salty. It's got a nice little sweet overtone to it, but that heat in the back. Like I said, this Dirty Bird rub is going to be a staple in my barbecue repertoire. This is real good. And you can't go wrong with crispy skin. Well, that's all we have time for today. Hey, if you're looking for a good rub recipe for your chicken wings, you cannot go wrong with this Dirty Bird rub. You will definitely like it. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. See you guys around the smoker.